Hi everyone, I'm Christa, a teacher of crystal healing classes as well as holistic healer, and welcome to my video talking about combinations with Howlite gemstone. So Howlite gemstone is a beautiful gemstone. I think it's often overlooked. It's a relatively inexpensive gemstone, and it has some beautiful healing qualities that combine really well with other stones. So I want to show you the piece of Howlite that I have here. So it's a white stone, it's got some veins of gray. I do have another video on Howlite gemstone and all of the healing properties there, which I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. I'm not going to go into big detail about Howlite stone in this video, but I want to talk about beautiful combinations of which gemstones are my top favorites that you can combine with Howlite. So Howlite has a really beautiful, soothing quality. It's really good for stress relief. It has a nice calming, relaxing effect on the body, the mind, and the spirit. Howlite is a beautiful stone that can also enhance the energies of other crystals and gemstones. So I would like to talk about a few of my favorite combinations. Okay, Howlite, because it's also a very soft stone, it can also soften the energies of other stones, and I will get into that in just a moment. So one of my favorite combinations is combining Howlite with rose quartz. So I have a beautiful piece of rose quartz here, this beautiful heart. I just love this one so much. And the healing properties of rose quartz, some of the healing properties are it's really good for the heart, it's really good for stress relief, it's also really good for patience, enhancing heart qualities of love, compassion, affection, kindness. So when you combine the rose quartz with the Howlite gemstone, especially in times of heartache, if you have suffered heartache in some way, the breakup of a love relationship, or have been going through loss such as losing a loved one, if a loved one has passed away, or you have lost a pet or your pet has passed away, it can be really wrenching heartache and grief. So working with rose quartz in combination with Howlite gemstone can help ease that heartache, soothe that heartache, and help you to heal and get through that in a really good way. Also, this combination is really good for stress relief. So if you find that you have a lot on the go, you're getting stressed out, if you've had a lot of challenges happen in the day that are putting you off, making you feel really stressed, anxious, worried, maybe even irritable, this combination will really help to soothe your energy. The Howlite helps to enhance the soothing qualities of the rose quartz, to soothe the heartache, to soothe stress, to soothe anxiety in a good way. Also, the Howlite helps to enhance the healing qualities of the rose quartz, to enhance all of those beautiful heart chakra qualities, such as love, kindness, affection, sweetness, gratitude. So even helping you to tap into your own sweetness, being able to tap into the sweetness of life, the sweetness of other people. And also, if you have a gratitude practice, sometimes when we get stressed out, we can sometimes not be thankful for things, we can become irritable, maybe complaining. This helps you to reconnect to the beautiful gratitude energy, to be grateful for the things that you do have in life instead of what you don't have. And also, this is a really nice combination to practice loving kindness, to be loving and kind towards yourself and others, especially if you're getting into grumpiness, irritability, complaints, that this will help you to really embrace that loving kindness, especially when you find that you're getting judgmental or critical of yourself or others. And also, this combination is really good to help you to be courteous to others as well. Kind, courteous, being helpful in a good way, doing kind things for other people. So this is a combination I really like. Okay, so let's talk about another combination. My other favorite combination of Howlite is with Amethyst gemstone crystal. So I have amethyst here. This is a piece of rough amethyst, and the howlite helps to work with amethyst to cool down anger. So if you're getting angry, irritable, and that anger is coming out, this combination helps to cool off that anger. Also helps to enhance patience, to help you to be calm, relaxed, and patient with yourself, patient with other people, patient in situations, especially when you're getting irritable and impatient. Also, this is a good combination to soothe frustration when you're trying to learn something. So if you're trying to learn something, a new skill, let's say, and you're having a hard time learning, and maybe the information is just not sticking in your head, or you're forgetting things and you're getting frustrated with yourself when you're trying to learn something new in a new job, or you're doing some coursework, going to school, and you find that you're having trouble learning. This is a really beautiful combination to help you to have patience with learning, to be calm and relaxed, so that your mind is sharp and clear to retain information and learn new skills. So this is really nice for that. Also, this beautiful combination helps to soothe cravings and addictions. So if you have sugar cravings, or maybe you have addictive tendencies towards smoking or other substances, then this is really good to soothe those cravings, to help you to work through and releasing those cravings and helping you to heal from that, okay, as well as addiction. So this is a really nice combination for that. Okay, so let's talk about the other one here, Fuchsite. Okay, so this is a piece of green Fuchsite. This is a really good stone for enhancing connections to nature. So when you combine it with the Howlite gemstone, this helps you to connect to the soothing and healing power of nature, connecting to beautiful landscapes such as forests or beach, the ocean, gardens, to really help you absorb the healing energies of nature, to help to ground you, to heal you when you're feeling frustrated or stressed out or sad. This is a really great combination for that. This also helps to connect to the healing power of plants, trees, flowers, herbal remedies, homeopathic remedies, essential oils, to also enhance the healing quality of herbal remedies, the healing quality of essential oils, homeopathics. This is also a nice combination to have in your garden to enhance the growth of plants and the health of plants so that they're strong and healthy. So this is a really nice combination. And even for myself, I love working with essential oils. I like herbal remedies, so I will work with this combination to also help me to really work with the healing qualities of those remedies and help my body to harmonize to the healing qualities of those remedies so that I get more benefit from them, more healing benefit. Okay, so let's talk about my next favorite combination. This is a piece of blue lace agate. Blue lace agate has a very beautiful, calming, soothing energy. It's good for communication. So when you combine it with the howlite, this combination helps to enhance calm energy when you're having conversations with others. So if you find that conversations get heated and conflicts are arising, this helps you to speak in a really good way, helping you to be calm and relaxed and not defensive, so that you can speak what you need to say in a good way, to be calm, relaxed, articulate, and to speak from your heart with that nice, soothing energy instead of getting mad, upset, heated, or defensive. So this is a beautiful combination for that. Also, you can combine the howlite with the red stones. So some people, this is a piece of red Jasper. Some people, when working with red crystals and gemstones, sometimes find them that they can be over energizing. They do help to ground you, but they also boost energy, stamina, vitality. So for some people, sometimes red stones can be a little too energizing, where, you can feel a little bit jittery, or just too revved up. If that is the case, then you can combine howlite with red stones. The howlite acts like a volume control to soften that over energizing energy of the red stone, so that you have energy but not over energized. So it is like a volume control, bringing that back into a really nice, good balance for you so that you have energy and stamina without being too energized. So it works really well with the red jasper. Also for red stones, it works really well with red calcite, so that's a nice combination as well. And it can also work with red carnelian, also like garnet, those nice really deep red garnets. So if you find red stones too energizing, that howlite will act as a volume control, just toning it down so that it's working for you in a really good way. Okay, so that you have energy but not getting over energized. So those are my favorite combinations with howlite gemstone. All of the other crystals and gemstones that I featured in this video, I have other videos on them. So I have a separate video on rose quartz, a separate one on fuchsite, a separate one on amethyst. So you can look at my YouTube videos for that. I'll leave links for that in the description below. So I would like to hear from all of you. What are your favorite combinations with howlite gemstone? Which crystals and stones do you like to combine, and what healing effect does it have for you? So please post your comments in the comments below. I would love to hear about your experiences. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to go deeper into crystal healing, I do offer online crystal healing classes that are live and interactive on Zoom. So you can check out my class schedule on my website, learncrystalhealing.com, and my other website, christalyn.ca. So thanks so much for watching. May you really enjoy working with these beautiful howlite combinations. Lots of love, light, and blessings to you, and namaste.